In this video, I will show you must-have car accessories that solve real problems on the road, so you can spend your money wisely. Look around your car. Do those gadgets solve real problems, or they are just chaos in your driving? With these questions in mind, you can make informed investment in practical car accessories that truly enhance your driving experience. So, fasten your seatbelt, because we are about to unveil the top 10 must-have car accessories. Portable car jump starter. Have you ever been stranded somewhere with a dead car battery? It is the worst, right? Well, fret no more. Today we are taking a look at a lifesaver for drivers everywhere, the portable car jump starter. But not just any jump starter. We are diving deep into the Noco Boost Plus GB14, currently the king of castle, with over 82,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. Let's see what the hype is all about. The Noco Boost Plus GB14. This little guy is a powerhouse packed into a compact and lightweight design. It is a lithium-ion jump starter that can bring your dead car battery back to life in seconds, up to 20 times on a single charge. Jumping a car can be intimidating, but the GB40 is all about safety. It features spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. So you want to fry your car's electrical system or yourself, even if you are a beginner. But the GB40 doesn't stop there. It is multi-tool for any situation. Need to charge your phone? No problem. It is portable power bank that can top your smartphone, tablet, or any other USB device. Stranded at night? No worries. The GB40 has built-in high output 100 lumen LED flashlight with 7 different modes. The GB40 is tough. It features high discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any weather, rugged and water-resistant exterior, and rubberized casing to prevent scratches. Plus, it is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 2.4 pounds. Using a Noco Boost GB40 is easy. Connect the clamp assembly to the 12-volt output on the boost unit. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Power on the boost unit. The charger LEDs will light up in sequence, and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating the boost has detected the battery and is ready to jump start. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is running, power off the boost unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. So, there you have it. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is a must-have for any driver. It is compact, powerful, safe and versatile. Portable tire inflator. Ever been cruising down the road with a hot music, feeling like a boss? Oh, flat tire. Road trip officially ruined. Well, those days might have been over, my friend. Because today we are talking about Astro AI Portable Tire Inflator. The little gadget that can be your roadside knight in a shining armor. Why tire inflator? Let's face it, those hand bumps that comes with your car are about as effective as trying to blow up a beach ball with your lungs. This nifty little compressor plugs into your car's cigarette lighter, and with a push of a button, it inflates your tire in no time. But is it tough enough? Astro AI says this thing is built with some special tough ultra technology, which basically means it is built to last. They even claim it increases the lifespan by 30%. I am not sure how we would measure that, but a longer lasting tire inflator is a good thing in my book. Set it and forget it. Here is the coolest part. This gadget lets you program the desired tire pressure. Just set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly inflated tire. No more hunching over reading that tiny gauge every 2 seconds. Small but mighty. This little guy is about the size of lunchbox, so it easily fits into your glove compartment or trunk. Plus, it's got flashlight built in, so you can change your tire even if it is dark out. Is the Astro AI tire inflator the answer? Well, for under $50, it seems like a pretty good deal. It is easy to use, saves you time and frustration on the roadside. Anti-theft steering wheel lock. Alright everybody, let's talk about a situation that is no laughing matter. A car theft. Car alarms are great, but sometimes a little extra security can't hurt. We are talking about Teflape anti-theft steering wheel lock. It is made of steel, which is definitely stronger than a pack of playing cards. Plus, it is bright yellow, a color that says, "Look at me, I am locked." Thieves are like sneaky shoppers. They want easy pickings, and this lock is flashing neon sign that says, "Go steal somewhere else." The lock adjusts to fit most steering wheels, unless you drive a Batmobile. So whether you cruise in a Mini Cooper or a monster truck, this lock should work for you. Be honest people, after a long day, you don't want to wrestle with a combination lock that requires a degree in astrophysics to unlock. The Teflape lock uses good old-fashioned keys. You got 3 of them, so it is simple to lock and unlock in seconds. No more fumbling in dark. So, is the Teflape lock the answer? For around $20, this lock offers some no-nonsense security. While it might not stop a determined villain with a toolbox of full gadgets, it is a great deterrent and an extra layer of protection. But remember, while this lock is a great addition to your car security arsenal, it is always a good idea to park in well-lit areas and use other security measures whenever possible. Because hey, even the brightest yellow lock can't stop a tow truck. Anyways, let me know in the comment below what car security methods you rely on. OBD2 Scanner. Is that check engine light yelling straight in your face? Mechanic bills can feel like a punch to the gut. So what if there is a way to diagnose some car troubles yourself? Today we are taking a look at Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool, a device that might turn you into a car whisperer. Okay, maybe not a whisperer, but you will definitely understand your car a whole lot better. What is OBD2 Scanner? Think of a OBD2 scanner like a little doctor of your car. It plugs into a special port under your dashboard and pulls out trouble codes, which are basically error messages from your car. These codes can tell you things like why your check engine light is on, or if there is something funky going on with your brakes or airbags. Why is the Blue Driver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan Tool? This scanner isn't just a fancy code reader. Here are some of the things it can do. Read and clear trouble codes. Find why your check engine light is freaking out and reset it. Go beyond the check engine light. Unlike some basic scanners, this one can also read codes from your ABS, airbag, and other important systems. Fix it yourself. The scanner provides repair information for tons of different car makes and models, so you can understand what is wrong and maybe even fix it yourself. Also, some repairs are best left to the professionals. Wireless freedom. No more wrestling with tangled wires. This scanner connects wirelessly to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can diagnose your car from the comfort of your driveway. This scanner can display live data like engine temperature, RPM, and fuel efficiency. A smoke test. Worried about your car failing emission test? This scanner can give you a heads up. Freeze frame data. Capture a snapshot of your car's data when the check engine lights come on, which can be helpful for figuring out the problem. Is the Blue Driver worth it? For around $100, this scanner can save you time, money, and maybe even a tow truck ride. It is not just a magic fix, but it can definitely give you a better understanding of what is going on with your car. So next time your car is acting weird, skip the guesswork and grab a Blue Driver. It might just be a mechanic in your pocket, you never knew. Front and rear dash camera. Ever played the blame game after a fender bender? We have all been there. Imagine a tiny witness for your car. Front and rear dash cam. Today we are checking out the Rear Tiger F7 NP dual dash cam. Your automotive attorney in your pocket. Why dual dash cam? Regular dash cams are great, but dual dash cam like this one covers all your bases. It has got a camera for the front with a wide 170-degree viewing angle and another camera for the back with 140-degree viewing angle, basically giving you close to 360-degree view of what's happening around your car. No more blind spots, no more room for argument, just a clear video in case of, well, anything. This dashcam records in super high definition, so you can see all important details like license plate and road signals. Plus it has got night vision, so even if it is dark out, the camera will capture everything clearly. And no need to fiddle with wires to see your footage. This dashcam has Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your phone and view videos right away. There is even an app that lets you download and edit the footage, so you can share those epic road trip moments with your friends or use it as an evidence. This dashcam has built-in GPS, which is pretty cool. It tracks your driving route, speed and location, giving you even more evidence in case of accident. Imagine being able to show exactly where and how everything happened. Pretty handy, right? This dashcam comes with a bunch of features to give you peace of mind. Loop recording means it won't stop recording even when the memory card is full. A G-sensor automatically saves footage in case of collision. And there is even 24-hour parking mode, of course with a separate hardware kit, to keep an eye on your car even when it is parked. Is the Rear Tiger F7 NP worth it? For around $100, this dual dashcam offers a lot of features for the price. It is easy to use, has great video quality, and comes with a bunch of features. So if you are looking for a way to protect yourself on a road and avoid any disagreement situation, the Rear Tiger F7 NP dual dashcam might be a great option. But remember folks, a dashcam isn't a magic shield that prevents accident. Drive safe out there. But hey, if something does happen, having a dashcam can definitely help. If you are interested in grabbing one of these for yourself, I have included all the links down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and wanted to see more cool technology for your car, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.